We were happily surprised that we marbled some of the frosting and it turned out really pretty.
We are going to decorate some Valentine's Day cookies.
There's your paintbrushes, and this is as red as you get with natural food colors. This is how I like to decorate and how we did it in the bakery.
They have no artificial dyes.
The chocolate, I put in some sifted cocoa so it wasn't lumpy.
I'll put the directions for that in the description box, and you can watch her make that in our Christmas video if you'd like. Off to the races.
And then you can let it sit just for a minute, and then you can add your sprinkles. We're marbling. A little fussy, but pretty.
Fussy, what does that mean?
Ornate.
What does that mean?
Ornate is highly decorated.
Oh, okay. We are going to pipe some decorations on our cookies.
Michael's has a great piping class, Wilton piping, that if you want to learn all kinds of techniques, it's a good class to take. Okay, and here, try this one. It's a number 2 tip. It's a little easier. Just don't squeeze hard because it'll come out faster than before. And to make a natural black, you use the blue and a really dark chocolate. And King Arthur has a website, and you can get like a black coat from Trousseau, and that makes a nice natural black. We were happily surprised that we marbled some of the frosting and it turned out really pretty. We let them set overnight to make sure the piping was dry, and then we plated them up and put them in these cute little boxes for gift giving. Have a happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's Day.